Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Applied Positive Psychology Week 6 Assignment 6. So the first question is the third wave of resilience research is characterized by dash. So these are the options and let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, the third wave aimed to translate findings from the first two waves into practical prevention and intervention strategies to actively strengthen resilience in at-risk individuals. So the answer of our first question is B. Now the second question is which wave expanded resilience research to include cultural, social and systemic context. So these are the options: first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, the fourth wave of resilience. It is now understood that resilience operates across various systems and involves interaction between these systems. So the answer of our second question is D, fourth wave. Now the third question is the skills-based model of personal resilience by Baker and Burrell 2021 focuses on which three key domains. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, the skill-based model of resilience take a tragic perspective focusing on three key domains, cognitive, behavioral and emotional. So the answer of our third question is C, cognitive, behavioral and emotional. Now the fourth question is which of the following statement is true about PTG? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, the presence of PTG does not mean absence of distress. Both can occur simultaneously. So the answer of our fourth question is B, PTG and distress can occur simultaneously. Now, the fifth question is which of the following best distinguish PTG from resilience? So, these are the option, and let's check the answer of our fifth question. So, question fifth, resilience is the ability to bounce back and go on with life after a hardship. Resilient people return to their baseline level of functioning very soon after the hardship. PTG, on the other hand, is not about returning to the baseline. Rather, it is an experience of improvement that is deeply profound and significant. So, the answer of our fifth question is D. Now, the sixth question is which of the following is not one of the five domain of post-traumatic growth identified by Tedeschi and Calhoun. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, the report of PTG can be subsumed under five dimension or domain. So the answer of our sixth question is C, reduce emotional reactivity. Now the seventh question is according to the functional descriptive model of PTG, what primarily facilitates growth? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our seventh question. Question 7, ruminative thoughts change to reflective thoughts, consequous and deliberate, leading to newer schema change and narrative development, and finally PTG. So the answer of our seventh question is C. Now the eighth question is which of the following is a possible cognitive outcome of trauma according to the organismic valuing theory? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, this theory suggests that there can be three possible cognitive outcomes of traumatic experience: assimilation, negative accommodation, positive accommodation. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Now the ninth question is why is PTG not considered a direct result of trauma itself? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, PTG is not a direct result of trauma but rather related to how the individual struggles as a result of the trauma. So the answer of our ninth question is C, because it is related to how individuals struggle and process the trauma. Now, the 10th question is which of the following best summarizes the relationship between PTG and wisdom? So, these are the option, and let's check the answer of our 10th question. So, question 10th, wisdom is a broader concept that can be found across the lifespan of human development and is not restricted to post traumatic situation. Linely 2003. Wisdom may develop thought traumatic experiences, but it need to be restricted to it. So the answer of our 10th question is D. Wisdom is broader but may develop through PTG. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.